Hi everyone, James from the Fireplace Factory. Okay, so today what we're going to be showing you, we've got a bedroom project that we're going to be doing in one of our customers' homes, and we're going to follow it from start to finish. As you can see at the moment, customer has got the TV on a bracket on this wall. They want a media wall. Media walls going into bedrooms and marble fireplace suites is the new trend of this year. So what they're going to be doing, they've got sliding wardrobe doors. They're going to be coming off, and then we're going to utilise all this space and then create a media wall. But we've got a little obstacle. So if I move this sliding door, this is all going to be getting ripped out. We think this has got to stay because it's got to be supported. So what the customer's done, they've took a bit of inspiration from one of our setups in the Knowsley showroom. We're going to be going more likely with the Panoramic 700. That's going to be going there, and we're going to be just showing probably the two sides. TV is going to go on the back wall. TV is going to be going there, and then we're going to have it slightly battened out, and we're going to do probably acoustic paneling on both these sides and leave the back wall blank. The acoustic paneling looks absolutely stunning when it's being put on these media walls at the moment. I think I'm going to go for it myself on my one of my media walls. But yeah, we're going to follow this from start to finish. So we've got the team from Custom Media. They're coming in this week. They're going to be ripping it all out, getting started. So we'll be with Kenny and the boys later on this week. So keep an eye on our YouTube page to follow the progress.